Hello, viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue. The term yarn is not recognized as a name of CMDLET function script file. Okay. For that, guys, what we have to do? For that, guys, try to open the PowerShell in administrator mode. So once you open the PowerShell in administrator mode, you have to add one simple command. The command is set execution policy scope current user, execution policy unrestricted. Click on enter. So once you click on enter, you'll get these options. Yes, yes to all, no, no to all, suspend, etc. Just click Y. So once you click Y there, so this one will be done. Try yarn install now. It should be able to install all the packages. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.